Local news for Thursday, the 23rd of July. National Party leader Judith Collins is in Wairarapa today. She'll be visiting local businesses and is also the guest speaker at today's Business Wairarapa standing lunch in Carterton. The New Zealand Geographic Board have made official more than 650 place names in Aotearoa. Some of the better known names now official include Kaituna, Mount Holdsworth and Clearville. Board chairperson Anselm Hannon says it may surprise many to learn that the name of the place that people live in has not yet been made official, even if it's been used for a long time. Eketahuna now has macrons also applied. And Rathkill College will be open to the public on the 7th of November for its popular annual Christmas Fete. The fete is expected to attract around 120 stallholders for its 19th year. A children's area, gourmet food, as well as art, books, decorations and loads more will be on offer. And finally, in sport, netball has returned to the courts this week. Primary getting underway Tuesday and Wednesday, with a huge day expected this Saturday at the Trust House Netball Centre, with grading games set to get underway at 9 a.m. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.